Hi friends, welcome back to another new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kali Linux or how to experience Kali Linux in your computer without downloading or installing. You can just use it through a website. You can just experience it very easily, and you can learn some Kali Linux commands or Linux commands. You can just learn through it, but this video is just for knowledge purpose. If you use Kali Linux, don't try to use any kind of hacking tool, or don't write any kind of hacking that is code in the terminal of any Linux operating system computer. It can be dangerous for you, and this video is just for informational or knowledgeable purpose. I'm sorry for that. This video cannot. I told you that this video will be on QBasic, but I'm sorry for that. I didn't make this video on QBasic since QBasic is a very long series, and the videos in this series are also long. So it takes some time to edit those videos. So sorry for that. But today I will show you how to use Kali Linux on your computer just through a website. No need to install, no need to download. You can just learn some basic Linux commands also through this. You can also use Windows 7, Windows 8 in your Windows 10 PC or any PC, and you can also use Kali Linux or Linux CentOS, and there are many other that I'm showing you that. Let me start my screen recording first. Alright, so as you can see on my computer screen, what you need to do first is to open your Google Chrome. It's the thing, since we are surfing the net, since we have to go to any website, so we have to first of all open the websites. So we'll open the Google Chrome. Alright, so you can see Google Chrome has opened in front of us. So first of all, in that URL space, we have to type there linuxzoo.net. That is the website through which we will experience the Kali Linux operating system. So what we write is linuxzoo.net. Press enter. Now you have to go there and you have to sign in or sign up. Actually, you have to register, and then you will get an activation email, and there will be one URL. You have to just click on the URL and you will be registered there. Now I have already registered here, so it takes some time to load. Alright, so you will get one activation email on your Gmail. So you have to open that email and you will find one URL. You just click on the URL and you will be redirected to a page, and your request, your account will be registered. So then only you can use this Linux, or else you will find trouble to use the linuxzoo.net. So as you can see, I've already registered. You can just go there and then you can register from here. Okay, now I have to do this here. After you have registered, after you have activated your account, then you have to click on join queuing. Alright, so after you have joined the queuing, what we have to do is just choose here the operating system that you want to get experience of. Here we are going to experience Kali Linux operating system. So we'll choose here Kali 1.0.6. This is an older version of Kali, so you will not experience the latest version. You can only experience the latest version through using WSL2 or by going to kali.org and downloading from there the iOS image. So here you can experience Linux CentOS 7. You can also take experience of Microsoft Windows 8, Microsoft Windows 7, Kali Linux, Windows 7 64 Sandbox, and cking 4610. It is also a Linux operating system, Linux distribution. So we will here click on Kali 1.0.6, then click on switch on. Simply just click on switch on, and then I will show you the next. So as you can see, our operating system is booting, and you can see here the boot progress. So it will take some time to boot, some seconds actually. It will take some 20 to 30 seconds to boot. Alright, so as you can see, boot progress is now completed. Now just go to connect and click on JavaScript VLC, this link, and now it will redirect you to the server where you can experience Kali Linux. So here we are there. We can use Kali Linux now. Let me full screen it. Just a second. So here I have full screened it, and sorry. Alright. So what I have to do is click on other. Username is root, ROOT. So we will give root and we will log in. And the password is Kali, KALI. Click on enter. And I have used this Kali Linux before, so you will find here some documents in my screen. But if you have never used this Kali Linux in like this, so you will find no documents. This is just for getting experience. If you really want to use Kali Linux and you want to learn ethical hacking, so you will need the real Kali Linux. You can download it if you have that much space in your computer. Alright, so now we can use the Kali Linux. So here is the application, but you can't connect to internet in Kali Linux. You can't surf the internet using Kali Linux. That's the thing. Alright, so in accessories there are many, and it's like real Kali Linux only. It shows you the whole Kali Linux, what is like that. So here there are accessories, there are electronics. Just a second, it takes some time to do there. Alright, so here electronics, here are graphics, there are ham radio, internet. It's of the internet, but we will not able to because we can connect to the internet using this VNC. Then there is Kali Linux, and here are the top 10 security tools that are mainly used, like the John, Nmap, Warshak, Hydra. All these are the top 10 security tools that are mainly used by hackers. As you can see here, Hydra, John, Johnny, Nmap, Squab, Warshak. Here is information gathering. These are basically used for attacking to systems, penetration testing. It is vulnerability analysis, means to check that that the website, that the system has some vulnerability or not. I am showing this to you so that you may have some knowledge of this. Don't try to use this. Web applications. Here are password attacks. Here are password attacks, means you can get the password of some systems. You can get the passwords of Wi-Fi using Wi-Fi, and there are many other things. And there are many other hacking tools. So this Kali Linux is used by hackers. This is just a breakdown of Kali Linux. What is that? There are wireless attacks. If you want to get the password of any Wi-Fi, so you can use this wireless attacks. Basically, the Wi-Fi is used for this to brute force Wi-Fi, and there are many other things. Now, these were some of the tools. Now here, this is the internet. You can surf the internet to this, but we can't connect to the internet using this. So I will close that window. Now This black thing, this is the main thing that is used by us. This is by hackers, not by me, but by the hackers. This is the terminal, the command line, where commands are written to hack to a system. So we just open this, and here we are. I will show you that it really works. Alright, if config, press enter, so it's giving us that. Now if I write here date, it's giving me the date. If I write here clear, press enter, got clear. And then I don't use it, so I don't know much about that. And there is IP address, press enter, so it's giving me the IP address of my computer. Then there are Wi-Fi. It uses Wi-Fi in these things. I'm just showing you. I'm not using this, but I'm just showing. Here is and like this, there are many things. I'll not show you all this. I have just showed you how Kali Linux works, how you can use this Kali Linux. If you want it just for learning ethical hacking, then only you use it, or otherwise you can use other Linux distributions which are not for hacking. Basically Linux distributions are used for hacking only. Basically this Kali Linux ParrotOS, these are basically used for ethical hacking. Here you can right click on the screen, create new folder, create new document, organize desktop, and this is just like the Windows, something like Windows, but it is not totally Windows. Alright, so this was how we can use Kali Linux on our computer easily. And you saw it was so simple to do that. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, click on the like button below, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel with bell icon. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. And remember, this video was just for informational purpose. Thank you.